Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is my second video now on YouTube, so yay me. Today I'm going to be doing a deep interior clean on the Mirage. I have an SD card in there somewhere that I can't find. I've lost it in there about 2 weeks ago. So I'm going to be taking the seats out and just trying to have a look for it. Hopefully I find it, but if not, at least, you know, the car's going to be clean, so that's a win. Yeah, stay tuned. Hope you enjoy this super satisfying clean.
If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, you might not have seen this yet, but this is the little horn button that I made. So it's really cute. And shift knob from Mr. Grip. Beautiful. Yep. No quick release on this one, just a NRG hub and spacer because I didn't realise that it wouldn't fit without a spacer. So here's a bit of a before shot of the car. Obviously that's gross. There's a lot of dirt and leaves in there. This side's not as bad, but still pretty bad. The seats, they have no stains or anything. They're just a little bit muddy, a little bit dirty. And then back here we have a bunch of dog fur. So hopefully I'll be able to get all of that out. So we have a few different products that we're using today. Some carpet and upholstery cleaner from Meguiar's, and then just some Meguiar's quick interior detailer as well. And then I've also got this funny looking thing from Analan. And this is supposedly meant to collect the dog fur and make it a lot easier to vacuum all of that out. So we'll give that a go, and if you want to see a more in-depth video on how to use this, I will be posting one on my TikTok as well. Nope, they're 14s. Will I need a breaker bar is the real question. BRB, gotta get the breaker bar. Okay, breaker bar acquired. So what was this again? 15? Come on. I'm too weak. Where'd my phone go? Hey. Hold on a second. Ooh, okay. That works too, I guess. How the... Okay. How are you meant to get to that? Are you kidding? Do I have to take this whole freaking thing out? Bruh. Oh, it bends! It bends! Okay, I think we're good. I think we're good. Alright. Okay. Alright. The real question is, can Jess lift the seat? Okay. Oh my god, that's so heavy. Bruh. Now we have the fun job of doing the other side. Let's go. Oh, it's so heavy. Ow! One side done, and the other side is filthy. Nice. So I've done this side with this tool from Analan, and it's worked pretty well. It's collected all of the pet hair in one spot, And yeah. Oh dear. So yeah, I'm going to keep going with that, and then hopefully that will be a lot easier to vacuum up in one spot. Alright, so my camera has died. I'm currently charging the battery again. There. So I'm going to have a go at using this stuff on this little, I don't know what this is. I think it was gum maybe? I don't know. But it's stuck in the carpet. I'm going to see if this will get it out. If not, then I'm going to just cut it out of the carpet. But first, let's try this and hope for the best. So I've decided I'm probably just going to do all the carpet. Apparently this makes it smell nice as well, so let's do that. Oh, yuck! Yuck! That's disgusting! Is that dirt? Is that dirt coming out of there? That's gross!
Don't you think we're moving too soon? I love to hear you when you complain about your best friend, how she's so late. And as you're talking, I start thinking, all the details start to sink in. I don't care about the right now. Spend the summer in this beach house. 'Cause
you would never think that that carpet is like, how old? 25 years old. That carpet is literally older than me. Alright, now I'm going to use some of this to do the trim and the steering wheel maybe, a few other things. I don't think that's going to come out. I have no idea what it is, but anyway, that's alright. But that dirt over there will definitely come out. And yeah, so just going to use that, and then I'll do the seats and put everything back in. Clean up these seats. They're nasty. Kidding, they're not that bad. And both seats are back in. Unfortunately, I did not find the SD card, so it's disappeared. I have no idea where it's gone to, but I guess I'm just gonna have to buy another one, but that's alright. Okay, I'll be back to do the floor mats in 2 seconds.
Thank you for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you leave a comment, subscribe if you want to see more. Let me know if you have any other video suggestions as well. And yeah, follow me on my Instagram if you don't already. And I will see you in the next video.